press the button by myself. So hi guys, welcome to myToyS TV, aka Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open Minecraft.
It's Minecraft.
Chicken
Yeah.
Jolly.
This is Chicken Jockey. And
But
this is
Johnny.
from series. Yeah, series free.
Yeah. Close up. We have some Minecraft toys too. Like, see? Let you look at the back. Now I'll let you see the blocks I have here. And then I have some lavas. I got lava, got water, and I got TNT also. Later I'm going to use that. I'm going to play with it. I'm going to use all of these blocks. I have a few more. Bring the box in. See, I have a lot more Minecraft toys. They're all Minecraft. The weapons I have, the weapons I have look like Barbie's weapons, but I'm going to pick them up later because I'm going to show all of you guys all the weapons. Where's the weapons? I'm going to find each weapon. One more weapon. I also have another chicken. These are all the weapons. I think this is a gold sword. This is a bow and arrow. This is a diamond pickaxe. This is a whacking stick. This is a, I don't know what it is, sword. So these are all the weapons. The things that we have look like this are these. Okay, now let's put these in the side. Let's open up Minecraft toys. We also have a creeper here. Now, so here, have a new one of the creeper. So now let's open it this way. It's much easier to open it this way, but I'm always dropping things because I'm clumsy, right, cameraman? Right, cameraman?
Yeah.
And there's also came with a new block, which I have already. I got the same blocks. Look, I can make a collection of blocks. Okay, now let's move on. Let's take out the chicken man and the creeper baby, the small creeper. Okay, this is the creeper. This is the chicken. I think we got this one. See? We got a twin chickens and twin creepers. Where's the other one? This is a twin creeper baby.
That's a duplicate. Your younger cousin will come and
He's
say,
a twin.
Your younger cousin will come. Your younger cousin will come and pick it up because he said, "This is the duplicate. I want one."
It's saying in Chinese. It's
Yeah.
呢個係相同嘅喎。
That's funny.
Yeah.
Yes.
You guys probably don't know how to speak Chinese like me because I live in Macau. But I don't know how I know English because I always watch YouTube. And I'm already at primary 1 school. So I have homework too. But bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. But I have something to talk to you guys. If you want me to reveal all my secrets that I never tell you guys, comment below. Bye.